Hi, today I have a very cool lock for you guys. It's this diamond. It has a very cool key, and the key is like so cool that I needed to have it in my collection. It's a very hard to find this kind of lock. At least it was very hard for me to find it. It's a disc detainer lock with very interesting, I think there are 10 discs inside. Hopefully when I pick it I'm going to show it to you how they look like with the false gates. There are two versions. I have the older model. The last disc, the newer one, the last disc, it has a spring, but this one does not have the spring. And there is they added that because there is like a vibration method that you can vibrate the lock and then you can open it with some special cut key. I don't know, but we are here to pick it, and this is like a €1/2. It's working very nice. This can be rotated in a different position, but for me it's easier to have it like this, so I can put it in the vise. So yeah, it's a very cool lock. It's a very interesting one, and for me, because this detainer lock, I think picking this one is going to help me because I have picked a lot of Abloy Classic. To pick this one, you need to have you need to build your special tool. I built this one, and then I put it. I even grounded this a Chinese like style disc pick, but this is like custom made from pin ejectors, and you need to grind it down and to create your own tool. Before I create this tangent tool, I was using like a standard. I ground down like on which side, on this side you can put it like this and trying to tangent it like that, but I did not like that because going through the disc and trying to navigate it without something to support it, it was very hard for me. So that's why I did create this one. So now I have the support on this part, so when I go left and right, I'm not going to like jiggle it the picking tip. And this is very like this lock is very interesting. Like it's a very cool one, and you need to have a patience, and the difference between like a true gate and a false gate, it's a bit hard to determine, but I think because I have like the picking skill from Abloy Classic, I think that helped me a lot. So you can see the cam it's moving when you have the key in. So yeah, a lot of talking. Let's start picking this one. The easiest way that I notice is just to put the picking tip till the end and then tangent it like this. I don't know, is this going to... I'll try my best to maybe... Let me rearrange a bit so you can have a better view maybe. Something like this is going to be a bit tricky for me maybe. So let me just focus somewhere here, and then let's start picking this one. So I think there are 10 discs as far as I remember, so I'm going to go from the back part. And then I forgot to mention, you can see here there is like a grounded flat spot, so I will know that this is my like a line that I can follow, like a not specific but like a visual line that it's easy for me to follow. Where is my pick? Because it needs to be like this so I can move the pick through the discs. So let's start. Let's find the last one. Like I said, now I have the already issues trying to go through the... So sometimes I need to adjust my tangenting tool. Now it's better. So now let's start. So last one feels fine. There's a 10, 9, okay, 8, it's binding. Click from 8, I think we are in the correct gate. 7, click from 7, hopefully you heard that. I think we are in the correct gate. 6, nothing. 5, nothing. 4, click, I think that's fine. 3, come on, where is 3? 3, click from 3, I think now it's in the correct. And 2, and we're open. Yeah, I forgot to mention, sometimes I can pick this one pretty fast, sometimes not, but you can see the cam is moving. Let me remove, because it's catching, let me remove everything. Let me show you. Oh wow, it felt it's not that easy. So now you can see I'm just rotating, so it's not that easy. So I got lucky, sometimes I got lucky and I can pick it this, but I don't know if this was this fast. I have never picked, and usually when I'm trying to film it, it's usually take me multiple times to pick some locks that are very hard to pick. But this time it's a bit, so you can see they're moving, because even if I do a full rotation, the discs are saying there is no springs, so the discs are staying in place. And if you have the newer version, then the last one will catch and go to the go back, and then when you're in the normal position, you can you cannot turn it like fully. But this was very nice. Let's try to disassemble this one. Come on, focus. So So finally I managed to disassemble this one. It's a pretty tricky one, and it's pretty cool one. These are the spacers, these are the discs, but these are the spacers. And look at the spacers. They have like ball bearings, and it's a very cool one. Very tough to make this one. I don't know if we have a cleaner spacer, but they're like, it's a fantastically done. Let me show you this is the first disc. Let me find some cleaner one, maybe this one. So you can see these are the true gates, and these are the false one here. Hopefully you can notice that there is a difference, and there are three um, bars that are located there, and there, and here's the core inside. It's like a very precision work, and this is something on the bottom. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's a drill protection. Needs to go there, like it's right, like I don't know, like some kind of a pistol, and it's a very interesting and cool one. I did not. This is the front part that I'm tensioning through, and this one, it's very smooth picking. This is how this interacts. Sorry, it's other way around. So this is how this is working, and the tip, because one side is a bit bigger than the other one, the pick should interact. Let's see, let's get this one. So let me show you. The pick should like go through that. Come on, focus. The pick should go like that, through that. So it's a very, let me show from the other side. So this is how the picking tip interacts left and right, and hopefully you heard the clicking sounds on the video, how the false gates and untrue gates feels like. It's a very small detailed work, but this is a very nice look, and I'm glad I have it in my collection, and I'm glad that I was able to pick it. It was a very fast pick, but sometimes we got lucky, but that's fine. So yeah, this was a dome diamond, picked and got it. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.